Okay, so today we are going to cook Pancit Canton. So this is a very basic, very easy Pancit Canton, and we are going to make it a little spicy. Okay, so first off, we're going to prep the ingredients. First is onion. Prep the onion. One in front, then the rest of the fingers behind. The knuckle will guide your knife so that you will not hit your nails like this. Okay, then the stroke is just rocking. So slice it through. Onions. Garlic, whole garlic. So we're going to use 2 whole garlics. Then peel the garlic. Then we mince the garlic. Okay, the middle finger in front with the knuckle outside. Then the rest of the fingers behind, so that you will not cut yourself. Okay, and do it like this. Arrange your garlic, then your hand at the tip of the knife, and you do it like this. You chop, so that we're going to make the garlic a little bit smaller. Then just do it like this until you will get a fine, a very fine garlic texture, like this. Okay? Okay, this is good. This is what we are looking for. Then you're going to place it here, together with the onions, because we're going to cook them together. Okay. Next, we have the carrots. Again, do not slice it like this because it is very dangerous. Make sure that the flat side of the carrots is in the bottom of the chopping board. So you slice it like this first. Then, now you've got a flat surface, put it on the chopping board so that it will not move. It's much safer like this. Then, middle finger in front, then the rest of the fingers behind. We're going to make a julienne cut, like this. Okay, slowly. We're going to make strips of this one. We're going to place it here. Ako ni balhin. This cabbage here will be cooked last, so we're going to place it here. The bagu beans, the beans and the carrots will be cooked together. Let's place it here. Okay. Next is the red bell pepper, sili atsal. Red bell pepper. Okay, to make it easier, you rub the red bell pepper like this so that the seeds will easily come out. Okay. Look at that. No, it didn't come out. Sorry. You just insert your finger like this. Okay. Then julienne cut. Then place it together. So to make it less spicy, we're going to rub the chili again to remove the seeds. Okay, let's go with the what do you call this? The pan. Okay, first things first, we're going to make the pan nice and hot, high heat. Okay, the pan. Make the pan nice and hot. We have here our chicken. When the pan is getting nice and hot, season the chicken with salt and pepper. Salt, pepper. Okay. And then, now the pan is already hot. Look at this one. Okay. Look at the bubbles. If the bubbles will be running around, that means it's okay. So we're going to put just a touch, a tablespoon of oil. Just like that. And roll it around to make a very flat surface. There. Roll it around. Now you can see that the pan is smoking. Put the chicken in. There. You should hear that sound. If there is no sound, remove the chicken. We're going to sear the chicken, meaning we're going to make it brown, so that the chicken will have a nice deep flavor. Okay? Then don't worry on the pieces left behind on the pan, because There is flavor in there. Do not remove it. That is what you call as a fond. F-O-N-D. F-O-A-N-D. F-O-N-D. We're going to brown the chicken a bit. Okay. Like this. Okay, this one is a little bit brown already. Okay. Touch of oil in. On. Onions, garlic, and chili in. Okay. You should always hear that sound. And you mix it all together to remove the little fan at the bottom so that it will not get burned. Okay. Season the onions, a little bit of salt. See, the juice and the onions are coming out. Then we're going to deglaze a little of this pan, but do not remove the bottom because the flavor is in there. Put the chicken back in. Okay, mix it around. The garlic is now a little bit brown. Carrots, green beans, and red bell pepper in. Remain the heat on high. Okay, then we're going to season the vegetables, salt, pepper. Okay, then sugar. So this came from Dunkin' Donuts. The coffee of the Dunkin' Donuts. Always save this one. Okay, then toss it around. Okay. Then from there, look at this one. We're going to clean the bottom of the pan, meaning we're going to deglaze that one. So to do that, this is what you call as an Emperador brandy, 36%. Look at around you, make sure that it is safe. Put the brandy in, and then set the pan to flambe. Okay. Then the rest of the brandy, just drink that one. Okay, just drink. Then, what this does, this burns the alcohol, so that what is left is only the amazing flavor of the brandy. Okay, look at that. Look. Now, the bottom of the pan is clean. The fond, meaning the one that sticks inside here, is mixed inside. Now we're going to put the oyster sauce. There. Again, we're still on high heat. Soy sauce. There. Okay. After 30 seconds, put water. Water in. Okay. Bring the water into the boil, but first check the seasoning. Put a little bit more. This one. Check the seasoning. Make sure the seasoning is right at this point. Tilawin lang. Ikaw na tilaw. Then the camera girl will taste if this is okay. Okay na? So it's a little bit spicy, yeah? Okay, do you have any questions?
None so far.
Then after this one, when it is almost boiling, put the pancit here, the noodles in. Then we're going to make the water absorb the noodles, okay, so that the noodles, the pancit will have a very nice flavor inside. Okay. Look at that. And then heat on medium, like this. Yeah, it's very colorful, right? So just mix it around until all the water is absorbed by the noodles. Okay, from there, heat on low, then check if it is already cooked. Okay, mix it around. More soy sauce in. So at this point, we are checking the seasoning to get the seasoning on point. Soy sauce. This one here is called a limoncito. Basically, a combination of lemon, lime, and citrus components. It's available in the Philippines. So this has a unique flavor. Slice this. So be generous with the limoncito. Okay.
Why?
Hmm?
Why?
Because it adds a citrus flavor to make the pancit fresh, to wake up all the ingredients, because the ingredients are still sleeping. Okay, so this adds another layer of flavor. Now taste a little bit. This is okay. Spicy. Taste the noodles if the texture is already okay. Then, for the final touch, put the heat on high, because it is almost done. Mix it a little bit. Okay, do it like that. And then, it's done. It's complete. Off. Then, the plate. There. Carefully put the noodles in. Wow, look at the color. Look at that. Okay. The green, the yellow, the orange, and the red. Okay, like this. There. Look at that. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button below the video. Okay. By the way, this is our first video, so please bear with me if the audio and video quality is not that good. There are still a lot of improvements to be made later on, such as the way I speak, even my cooking skills, my confidence level. We still have to improve that one. And then the audio, the video, the lighting. So there is still very much to work on this one. So please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching my videos. See you next time.